You caught me sitting on the job. I should be working. Instead, I'm going to show you a little product that we're using. I don't think we have enough, but we'll see. It's made by Trex, T-R-E-X, Trex Protect. And this is supposed to go onto the top of the floor, the joist of your deck, to protect it from rotting and loosening the screws and all that kind of thing. So you pull the wrapper off of it, you get into it, and then you can take it over there to Drew. Watch him. He's putting it on. Go ahead and close it up.
Just goes on like tape.
Over there. See part. Lots of fun.
Just like foil tape, right?
Yeah, you peel the wrapper off like foil tape. This is something the customer brought. It's not something that I bought. I don't know anything about how it would last. Drew, you said it was similar to what?
Gaffer tape.
Gaffer tape, where you wrap up communication cables and such. Is that got double stick tape or sticky side on it too?
Just sticky side on one side.
Yeah, gaffer tape. So just about anything that you put on top of this deck is going to make it last longer, which could be paint, which could be stain. So we're going to give it a shot, and in 20 years I'll let you know. See ya.